Hey guys from the Thoughtful Gardener, I am very happy to have you here today. If you are new to the channel, I am Heather Andrews from Garden Thoughtfully, and we're going to talk today a little bit about Joro spiders. I certainly don't want you to be afraid, but Joro spiders may be landing in your backyard this summer because they are capable of traveling up to 100 miles with their very elaborate spider webs. So, should you be afraid? The answer is absolutely not. These colorful spinners are going to be in your gardens and eating all of the bad guys like mosquitoes so that you can enjoy your summer and not be concerned about the fact that even though it's one of the most venomous spiders on the planet, it's not going to be dangerous to you nor your pets. It's incapable of biting you. So what do you need to know? Well, they're very similar to our orb weavers, so you might see some pretty intricate and very large spider webs in your gardens this summer. But it will be death to the insects. So for those of you suffering from cicadas, well, welcome your new friend, Joro. The colorful color is going to be for the female spiders only, so likely you're not going to see the males because they're smaller and brown. But now you can enjoy your outdoor activities and your summer and welcome in a good guy into your army of good guys for the summer to help control the pest population that you might find in your backyards. Garden thoughtfully and take care. Hey guys, was this video helpful and informative? Well, I would love for you to leave a comment below. The algorithm likes it when you guys say anything about the videos. Whether you have a comment, are you seeing these Joro spiders, or whether you want to talk about the content itself, let us know. Did you like it? Did you not? What can we do different? Maybe we'll make a video just for you. Have a great day and garden thoughtfully. Take care.